The 2024 Ford Mustang GT California Special has been revealed in the USA ahead of appearing at the Los Angeles Auto Show on November 16, but it will not be sold in Australia. Based on the new generation S650 Ford Mustang, which goes on sale in Australia in mid-2024, the GT California Special is available to order now in North America. The Mustang California Special was introduced in the USA in 1968, and while previous versions have been based upon the regular Mustang GT, the 2024 California Special uses the better-equipped Mustang GT Premium. 2024 Ford Mustang GT California Special revealed. The GT California Special has a starting price of $49,010 US, 77,000 Australian dollars, 1,995 US dollars, 3,135 Australian dollars, more than the GT Premium, and uses an unchanged 5.0-liter V8 engine with manual or automatic transmission and a choice of coupe and convertible body styles. The cosmetic package for the California is led by rave blue details, starting with highlights in the front grille and contrasting black horizontal slats alongside black headlight surrounds. There is also blue GT/CS badging as well as unique blue and black graphics running along the side of the Special Edition Mustang. 2024 Ford Mustang GT California Special revealed. Two 19-inch alloy wheel choices are available, the standard finished in carbon gray, or an optional performance pack polished design, pictured with bold rave blue pockets. The California Special interior sees Raptor blue stitching on black leather seats that carries across the doors to the dash, gear lever and steering wheel. Blue dash badging and GT/CS floor mat